Another big story today, a guilty verdict in the police brutality trial of RPD Officer Michael Sippel. Today, the judge who heard the case ruled Sippel's use of force was not justified when he tried to take Christopher Pate into custody last May. The outcome of this trial was shocking to some and is already having an impact, as Kayla Green reports.
The Reverend Lewis Stewart was one of the first people to rally around Christopher Pate after Pate was beaten last May. But he wasn't expecting Officer Michael Sippel to be found guilty.
It is a stunning victory for the community. It is historical in its significance because not too many times in the past in Rochester has a police officer been indicted and sentenced for police misconduct relative to an assault charge.
Sippel didn't show any emotion when the judge read his decision today. He and his attorney had argued that force was justified because Pate refused to cooperate. The beating was recorded on Sippel's police body camera, and it played a major role at trial. Sippel's attorney worries the outcome of the trial will have a chilling effect on police who are just trying to do their job. The prosecutor and Stewart disagree.
They're going to be less willing to approach people, to use force, because they're going to be afraid that they're going to get charged criminally.
This case was not against the Rochester City Police Department. This case was against one man, Michael Sippel, and that, I believe, justice has been done.
It will have a chilling effect on the behavior of some cops not to engage in police misconduct because they are not above the law.
The Rochester Police Locust Club said this today in a statement. "We are shocked and disappointed in the decision out of city court today. However, since the internal disciplinary process is still ongoing and there are potential appeals of the criminal charges, we are going to refrain from any further statements on the matter to protect the rights of Officer Sippel." Maureen?
All right, Kayla, thank you. Sippel faces up to a year in jail and will be sentenced in July.